Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring the available space with Media Query and Layout Builder so your UI responds instead of guessing. First, capture screen size and orientation, then compute scale factors and breakpoints you will reuse. Once done, wrap key areas with constrained box or fitted box to enforce minimum and maximum sizes. Make sure to create design tokens for spacing and fonts so components scale consistently. This initial step prevents brittle layouts and gives you reusable values for the next implementation phase. Now you build adaptive widgets that change structure based on constraints. Use Layout Builder to return different widget trees at your defined breakpoints and prefer flexible, expanded, or fractionally sized box for proportional sizing so elements reflow naturally. Once done, handle typography by multiplying base sizes with Media Query. Text scale factor or your own scale function to respect accessibility. Make sure to keep state and animations external so layout swaps remain smooth. These patterns keep complexity manageable while delivering reliable responsiveness across devices. Finish by validating behavior across varied devices. Narrow phones, tablets, landscape, and high text scale settings to catch edge cases. You should run visual tests and use Flutter Inspector plus debug paint size enabled to reveal overflowing or clipped widgets. Once done, swap raster assets for scalable SVGs or vector icons and ensure padding and hit targets meet accessibility minima. If layouts break, check hard-coded widths first, then constraints propagation. This final pass locks in responsiveness and gives you one reliable troubleshooting step if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.